Hello everyone, welcome to this new virtual demo about Jaltest. This is gonna be a very short demo, around 7 or 9 minutes. The main idea is to provide you a general overview about some function of Jaltest, and as you can see, we have a different equipment available in this commercial division. But for today, we're gonna use BUS. We have 64 different makes. We have coverage for American, European, and Asian makes. So we can use, for example, Mercedes-Benz. We have all the families and all the models here. But the best way to make a connection with this vehicle is with the chassis. You will find this information next to the driver's seat. I'm gonna use the OFOH ISO that is very common, and these are all the possible systems. So I can make connection, for example, with the engine. So I can go to the connector info, and now Jaltest is guiding us with the information about the connection, how it look like the connector, pinout information, and which one is the part number for this connection. But what happens if we don't have the direct connector? So we can use the plan B multi-pins because Jaltest have the information for this kind of connection. So now we can do the connection and we need to select which one is the engine. So I can select maybe 4-cylinder for this demo. And now we have the main menu. So we have different options. If we go to diagnosis, we can find the state of the code, the proprietary fault code, and also the description of the fault code. And we have additional information like freeze frame data, help and component of the error. This is a very important section because we have technical information related to the fault code. If we go to the information about the components, we can find the components, the location, and additional information. And also we have wire diagrams. This is a very good information because with this information, the technician can know how exactly is connected the component on my right with the ECU in the middle. So we do double click, and now we have the information about the pinout and how it looked like the ECU and additional information. So this is very good information and we have all in Jaltest. Now we can go to the next one. We have the focal troubleshooting. This is a step-by-step guide and you will find this step-by-step here. And this is a potential solution for this focal. So this is very, very good information. As you can see, Jaltest is not only diagnostic. Now we can go to the error clearance. Also, we have system data. You will find the ECU data here. We have measurements and we have a different measurements. We have the system display. This is a wonderful information because some technician doesn't have too much experience with this kind of system. So with this information, they can have a better understanding about what is happening in the system, what is going in and going out to every component. So for Jaltest, it's very important the user experience, and with this info, we strongly believe that we can improve the user experience with Jaltest. Now we have the measurement selection. We have 54 measurement selection. So we have different groups here. We can select the groups and also we can select the measurements. And we have a different representation. We have the gauges here. And if you see this question mark, you can go there and you will find more information about the measurements. And also we have the graphics representation. So here you have a different function. You can zoom in and also zoom out, and you can pass the graphic. You can customize how many measurements you want to see, maybe 2, maybe 1. And also you can add a comment, and this comment is going to be in the diagnostic report. And also we can make a screenshot. So we can print or maybe we can include in the diagnostic report, and I can show you the diagnostic report later. So we can have also the activate component. Here we can activate or disactivate this component. We also have the system check. We have a different function here. We have the cylinder compression, cylinder impact time, manual cylinder cutout, inversion test, and many others. So this is a very good section in Jaltest. And also we have parameters, so we can modify parameters too. We can modify the oil temperature sensor, starter engine, fan type, diffuser heater, and many others. So we have a lot of option here. If we go to the maintenance, we have the information about the oil consumption measurement. And also we have the data recorder. This is a special function for Jaltest because if you are doing road tests, so you can record all the data and then you can analyze. We have the system technical information here, so it doesn't matter if you don't have an active focal, you can come here and check the information all the time. We have the wire diagrams that I showed you before and many others. And also we have a troubleshooting by symptoms. So this is another step-by-step guide. This is related to the symptoms, not to the focal. So if we finish, for example, this section, or we have this is a step-by-step guide troubleshooting symptom by symptoms. And if we go to the main menu, so if we finish all our action inside the engine, so we can disconnect and also we can connect to the other system, for example, the ADM. So as you can see, this is very easy because Jaltest is a diagnostic dealer level tool for all make and systems. So that is very, very important. So now we have the same information that I already showed you, and we have the main menu for this ADM. So we have a different function here. We have some similar layout. So this is very good because the learning curve for us is very, very short. So we have the diagnosis, the error clearance, system data, measurement. We can do the actuate component too. We have the parameters, so we can modify all these parameters, the idle speed, maximum engine speed rate, speed limit. We have a different configuration for working speed control. So this is very, very good functions. And also we have the calibration and also have the data recorder. So as you can see, Jaltest is a very complete tool. We have the diagnostic report. So this is all the action that we did inside this bus. We have all this result here. And also if you have some doubts or you need more information, you can come to our question mark and we are reachable, for example, by phone, by email, and also we can do remote assistance. So we have a super good technical support. And the last but not least is our data management, our GRP. This is a very good section in Jaltest. It's for free and have a different function, very, very, very good. We have different option here. We have the client list. We can make a profile for every client. We have the vehicle list too. We have the diagnostic report that we did before, so we can see here. We have the maintenance report, we have the work order report, and also we have the workshop management. So in here we can assign tasks and we can check all the activities that our technician did before. And we have a reception roles and human resource. This is very, very important because we can make a different user with different access level depending of the role. So this is very useful. If you want more information, you can go to our distributors, and also we have a YouTube channel with more videos, so you can go there. This is all for today. Thank you for your attention.